So today I am going to tell you some of the important facts that can improve your English. Well, these are those facts that we ignore in our daily life, and we just think that within 1 day or 2 day we can learn English. Well, it's not like that, okay? But before watching this video, you can subscribe our channel. Well, it's very important if you want to keep yourself updated, then my channel is actually very beneficial. Well, number one thing is that how we can learn English. Well, what are the things that we have to follow? Well, number one thing is that you have to connect with the English stuff, whether you are or you have studied from a kind of a government school or from a very normal school. Okay, so sometimes it happens, we live in an underdeveloped country, usually in Pakistan. We don't have much resources. Okay, some of the people are from villages, so you can just start reading something. Reading is one thing. Okay, start reading small articles, short stories. Okay, that can help you to improve your vocabulary. Well, it's a kind of a very difficult thing because mostly the Gen Z's, the young generation, they are not interested in it. Okay, that's not a big issue. There is alternative also. You can watch some good movies. Okay, like most of the people think that the English movies or the Hollywood movies or any other English stuff is not beneficial. Well, it's wrong. Okay, if you are watching even one movie, you are learning a lot of things, you're grabbing, so you can try to practice them. And then obviously you have your company. Okay, you have your friends. Okay, friends are the one with whom you can just chat. Don't try to use slang language. Slang language is not good. Okay, some people think that by using the slang language they can become more good in English. No, slang language will ruin your English. Okay, try to write full sentences when you are chatting or communicating with anyone. And the other thing is, like, you can practice on your own. Okay, like you can speak with your own, like there are many AI tools you can use, and that will help you to gain your confidence. But you have to speak something. Like there are 24 hours, okay, in the whole day. So how much time you're spending? This is the question. Okay, like most of the people are asking me that how I have improved my English. I'm also just like you people. Okay, but the thing is that I used to like watch movies. At that time when I was in my like school and college, we don't have like internet. At that time we didn't have. So at that time we just go to the libraries. We try to read something which I really like to read. So I try to read the R.L. Stein books. Okay, they are very good. They are adventurous. Okay, and Blyton was the best writer at the time. So you can just go with these things if you like at this time. But the most important thing is that now I am into watching movies. Okay, I try to watch good movies that can help me to connect with this language. Plus, I'm teacher. Okay, the whole day I'm just speaking and I'm teaching with students. Okay, and I'm just trying to connect myself. Communication is very important. Your confidence level increases when you get motivation to speak. Whether you are a doctor, you are an engineer, you are a teacher, you are a student, you can make your group. Okay, and ask your friends to motivate you to speak. Okay, this will help you to get up and to raise yourself. Plus, try to involve yourself in some activities. Okay, like social activities. Try to travel. Traveling is one thing. Okay, like if you go to any other country, if you have money, okay, you can just save it for. There are many people I've seen that they are traveling but they're not learning because you're not interacting with some other people whom you don't know. So when you're going to another country, just try to focus and just try to connect with people, okay, who are speaking the native language. This can also help you. But right now, as we are in the country, okay, and mostly people, they have to go abroad, they're practicing for IELTS and PTE and other stuff, so they can just start listening. Okay, podcast, you can listen to BBC English. Okay, I love this channel a lot. Okay, it's really amazing channel, and it provides a lot of information. Okay, and it really helps me to improve my accent also. Then try to uh, talk in your scenario. If you're working in an office, if you're working in a school, I remember when I started my first job. Okay, I was a Montessori teacher. We were not allowed to talk in Urdu in the school. That was the best thing. I think that was the start of my career. Okay, and I was so much habitual of speaking with the kids. Whether kids were understanding or not, it's not a big issue. You have to speak with them. You have to speak with your friends, whether you are understanding or not. Okay, and the most important factor is you have to put some effort. Without effort, you can't learn anything, not even a single word or language. And if you need any help, okay, you can join my speaking classes. Every Monday till Friday I'm taking the speaking classes. Okay, good luck. And thank you.